sports. People, when I think about showboating in sports, all right, so flair in sport is important. Sauce, skill, the great showmanism, that is important in sports. However, it proves nothing to me. It proves nothing to me when a central defender um, lift up the ball and juggle it.
Mhm.
However, I'm gonna mind man, them have fun on the field, bro.
Yes, have fun.
Have your fun. Yeah, Regine, have your fun.
Disrespect the game.
I think I disrespecting the game.
Mm.
Cause, what you know? My thing is a contest. The other day we see Romain Blake in the corner flag and him lift up the ball and him juggle it in order to facilitate a clearance, right?
Mhm.
And are just different skills of the game that can come into play at various points
Mhm.
in order to help play better football.
Right.
So if you want to demonstrate the talent we have, even though it might not be needed to how will I phrase this with proper English, even though it might not need to be demonstrated at that time to advance or to progress the game or to allow your team to be better.
Mhm.
Bro, it's a skill in the game. As long as you not take up the ball and run it in the hand, as long as you not try to hurt nobody physically,
Mhm.
I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Because at the end of the day, that means you tell me say if me score 6 goals, don't score 7 or 8 or 9.
Mhm.
Why?
That they must say
No,
sportsmanship. But you are one of them man that will
no.
always believe that sportsmanship overrated.
Oh yeah, 100%,
Yeah.
100%.
And even when you did
Sportsmanship,
not play the game,
sportsmanship of before and after the game. You
yeah.
don't space feet in the game.
And when you are compete, you can't say you're the best sportsman either, cause yeah, he's a rage baiter. But let me tell you, bro.
No, man, when they compete, that's why I'm telling you, say, in between the lines, before and after the game, in a room for sports. I mean, in when the game I go in a room, they did it for sportsmanship.
As long as you're not cheat or you're not
That's a
hurt nobody
waste of my
physically.
time. No,
Yeah.
man, you have to cheat too.
It depends what you call cheat, dog. Me thief a corner. Me thief a throw
That's
in
a
if the ref.
cheating.
Yeah, dog, but like some things you can't do, dog.
No, you see, anything where you can do in the game to get away with it, you do it. If you're gonna do something before the game to affect the game, that's why I'm saying sportsmanship of before and after the game.
That
And
you
the
can
idea me just
cheat?
think
You that
about it.
cheat? Like you believe in cheating? Like in a
What do you mean
baseball,
cheating?
them stick you up them gloves so the ball no drop out.
That's what I'm saying. You see, anything where you have to do before or after the game to improve your performance in the game that is illegal,
Yeah.
I'm not about it. That's why I may say sportsmanship of before or after the game. So,
Hmm.
me not believe that there is no space for sportsmanship. Sportsmanship is important in sports, but
Hmm.
that are before the whistle blow and after the whistle blow.
Yeah. Where's a
But
shaky man when
you see
after the
that
game?
yeah, shake him on after a game. And
Hmm.
shake him on before the game.
But you don't need to help him upon him dropping at the middle of the game.
No, 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 no. That time they reach out there and help him up and then just shake off man, make him drop back a ground. Boof. And then after the game, you just say, yo, watch my dog. I sport. You get me? I say. So
I game.
me now go, me now go, me now go before the game start or during halftime and dig a hole, right? Which part the goalkeeper go there. So when him start the game, him can hurt himself.
Yeah.
No. But during the game in one corner, me go shoulder first in the goalkeeper.
Uh-huh. Or you
Me
would dig
now
up
go
before you kick a penalty, you just dig up his spot. Before the opponent kick a penalty, you just rub in your boots in your studs in a spot and make it
nah,
scuffy.
me do them thing there, bro. Me all about it. Me all
Yeah.
about it. That's why
Yeah.
I'm saying so what when once the first whistle blow and the last whistle blow, anything in between that are the referee responsibility to keep that under check.
You say if you allow me to
That's
get
why the
away with it,
referee
I'm
have
good.
that's why the referee have red card and yellow card.
See me and card me.
Yeah. But the foolishness before the game now, me not like to me as the teammate I go do things for you get me I say
Hmm.
give me an unfair advantage or an advantage that is not sanctioned
Hmm.
outside of the whistle.
Yeah.
But once the whistle blower will start, you know in a space of sportsmanship. I mean is not friend. All if you are my best friend, man is not
Yeah.
friend. I mean I will cheat for real.
Yeah.
But me not go dope.
That before the game.
Exactly. That's the point I'm trying to make.
Mm. All right, all right. So
Yeah.
so I get a take. You see with me now, I'm caught in two minds on this. I'm caught in two minds. Cause me as a youth, I like class, I like grace on the field. I like see the youth them have something about them. You get me? I say respect the game. Make sure say respect your opponents. Make sure say when you play with some class. You get me? I say show that you were raised right. But at the same time, bro, if I can juggle this ball yeah, and me 4-0 up and me can juggle this ball yeah, and make you come push me down and get a red card. Are you an idiot, you know?
That's a part of the game.
You get me? I say, if me can step over 50 million time and that make you feel disrespect to the point where you're going to kick me down and take a red card, are you an idiot, you know?
Yeah.
You get me? I say, so that's what I say, I'm caught in two minds, bro. I
All right. So,
understand it.
so tell me how you play with. So considering that you like class, how you play with class? Then?
Or you play with class, but I say you stick to your goal. Say if the goal is no, I not believe in a mercy rule and everything there. Win the game.
Yeah.
If you can score
But you
50
stick.
goals, score
Yeah.
50 goals. But at the same time, if we don't play that way, don't do it. So for example, if our team when we train, you're not doing that in a training, don't come do it on the pitch. If for example, when we play basketball in high school, right? And this
Hmm.
is madness, and we talked about this already.
Yeah.
If you are not a good 3-point shooter, matter of fact,
Yeah.
they didn't even gonna find out if you're a good 3-point shooter. The
Yeah.
team have two man we can shoot that ball from the tree.
Yeah.
You see, if in a training or in a match, if you ever shoot a 3-pointer, for any man where they go Casey, I know what I go, I know what I go.
Hmm.
If you ever shoot a 3-pointer, my boy, you're in a trouble. If you ever try dunk and you can't dunk, you're in a trouble. You get me? I say, them don't do that. So don't reach in the game and start chuck threes now because we're up by 50. You get me? I say that is disrespect to the
Never
game.
problem with that, you know. Never problem with that.
But yeah,
That's why when me make
I
mention,
show
you know,
about
me
in.
say no, but me say the centre back him can jug the ball. Him have a talent which can be helpful at another point. In this point, it might not be helpful, but it's a viable talent him a put on display.
If you can't do it, don't do it.
No, you
But
get me? I say so. It
bro,
don't make sense. It don't make sense that they did the whole heap of step over there like a big idiot. You just a make a mockery out of yourself and out of the team and out of the sport. So if you have one basketball you carry, when Shaka shoot trees, bro, that's just a laughing stock.
I'm
So if
sure
you
you
go come up
Lewis.
now, so we know showboating and taking the game for a joke are two different things. I'm serious about my sports. Don't take my sports for a joke.
Mhm.
But showboat.
Yeah, alright, sure about it. Me, I keep it sure about it. We are play like a
Yeah.
scrimmage ball. You get me, I
Mm-hmm.
say? And when the ball game nice, it nice. See, so we are drop with six and we say, yo, we are kill them off. We score 2 goals to win the game, we know what we go. And then we say, yo, freestyle time. Every man get it at the black brother. Every man get it at try to flick it over a man head. Yeah, lose the ball one heap of time. Yeah, ray,
Me
ray,
not
ray.
like that.
But a freestyle time, me personally do that still. You get me, I say? But me enjoy that, bro. That's nice. That not full of class. You
No,
get me,
the
I
reason,
say?
as I said, the
Yeah.
reason why I mean I like it is because it's the same as you talk about in the football game. Me now go when me up 4 of all of a sudden me I go start plot and try pile nobody and try so no.
Same
The
thing,
one
but
thing
the
me I
same
go
thing
do
with
is
the
try
defender.
get my hat trick. No, but that's what I'm saying. Me not gonna do it because that is not my forte. Me I ain't no skill wicked baller like that.
Yeah, but if you
So me
can do
not
it
gonna
though,
just say
why if
do
you
it
coulda do
now
it?
because we can. What?
Why if you coulda do it? And remember, when the game
Then
in
if
the
me
nil
coulda
all,
do it, me da do it.
when
But
the
when
game
I
the
talk
nil
about
all,
scrimmage,
no,
when I talk about scrimmage, some people we can't do it, I gotta do it, which is why I'm not like that. But if
yeah,
you have the ability to do it, bro.
bro, when the game the nil all, you know how to do it,
Don't lose my football. That's all me I tell you.
No, but that's what me I tell you. When it the six now, we don't mind you lose the ball. A freestyle time, we win the game already, my father. That them little thing they are classless. See, you get me? I say, but
Me, 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 mine, I lose the football.
see, you think now, dog. I understand respect in the game, and it depends. It depends on the sport. Some sports have room for more wiggle room where that is concerned. Where you can get away with a little bit of cheating. You can pull a man's shirt in a basketball and get away. If that not even cheating. Call the foul if you see the foul. You get me? I say you can put out your foot in a way and try to chip a man and the ref not see it and blah blah blah. It think you have sports where have more room for it. If you talk about a golf now, bro, man, will look on you weird. You get me? I say if you disrespect the green, you get me? I say if you slam your club in at the green, if you scuff up the hole, if you there are sports where certain you'll get
No, but
away with certain things, and but some sports call for class, like all a cricket. A golf. You get me, I
Dog,
say.
my in a golf, bro. My Jaja, dog. Me no want to say this for ear, dog. 'Cause it might come back for bite me, dog.